Your biggest win in trading, brother?
Biggest win, £75,000.
£75,000. Pounds. We're not talking dollars here. Yeah?
Dollars. No. We're English over it.
Fair enough, brother. And what was that? Was it one trade? Was it?
No, this was across 3 trades. So I was quite fortunate to trade US 30. I don't know if you would remember, but there was a time, I'd say maybe about 4 years ago now, and the markets kept closing and they kept reopening. This is when Donald Trump was in the White House, and they would close, the brokers would close for half a day, then they'd reopen, close, reopen, and I decided to leave my trades on throughout them closing, and I came back, of course, to them reopening the markets, to me being in profit, and yeah, that was the biggest win that I had across 3 single trades.
Wow, and that was worth it right away, and staying patient.
100%.
And what was your biggest loss?
Biggest loss was £50,000.
£50,000. Mad.
That was in one go.
One go?
That was in one go. Meanwhile, whilst I was losing the money, I had my girlfriend to the side of me, asked me what was for dinner. All I heard was white noise. I couldn't hear anything she was saying. And I lost that before I'd made 75, right? And when I lost this money, it was due to my inexperience, and it was due to my greed, really. Like, I made a bit of money in the markets. And you know, when you have a couple wins, it kind of boosts your confidence to go on to do bigger lot sizes and to have more trades open at once.
Confident. Yeah, like the hero.
Yeah, and long story short, bro, like I said, I trade US 30 a lot, so I waited for the stock market to open. I probably had about 7 or 8 trades open, and I was buying the market dropped. I went from 3K to 15 to 25. Before I knew it, I was 50K in a hole. 50K in a hole. I was depressed. This was 6 years ago, so alhamdulillah now I've been able to understand that this isn't a game of wealth, it's a game of patience. And I think a lot of people don't understand that, so it's nice to even be here with you and for you to ask questions, because I think the misconception in trading is you can learn, it's really easy to make money, but the hardest part is managing your emotions. That's the hardest part. Being able to have money and say, look, I've made this, let me leave it, come back tomorrow. That's the hardest part.
So that's the biggest lesson you took away from losing that big amount, was don't be greedy, risk management, and staying patient.
Yeah.
And what advice would you give to young traders or anyone looking to start in the financial market?
Any advice I would give is make sure you do your own research into why you want to trade. Okay, I think in this day and age right now, technology is ever improving, right? Here we're seeing robots walking past us, we're seeing robot dogs, right? So we understand technology is being a thing of the future, but the most important thing is everyone's working to make money. No one knows how money works. So if you want to figure out how money works, then that's the easiest thing for you to be able to understand why trading should be a part of your future.
That's the best advice I've received today. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Nice.